So my dear friends, I hope you all are fit and fine. You are mainly trading intraday or few of you are also trading swing. So those are trading intraday, they already know how to use the bracket or cover orders. Because in the bracket or cover orders, you can actually put a target and stop loss with your orders. But if you are trading on a positional basis, it is tough to add a target or a stop loss order whenever you are putting the main order. So there is a solution to this problem. You can also put a target and a stop loss with your main entry order if you are even trading for swing. So if you are holding a position for few days, you can actually still provide a target and stop loss order whenever you are putting the main order. So that is typically helpful because whenever we are entering a trade, we can think of a target or a stop loss. And if we can actually put that order in the system, there is no headache of actually monitoring the stock every day. Because else we need to every time monitor the stock, we need to put an alert somewhere and we need to wait for the target or the stop loss. But this solution, this is actually called GTT order. The full form of GTT is good till triggered. It is also called as GTC. Few guys also use this term GTC. GTC is good till cancelled. But the major brokers, here I'll be showing you how you can use the GTT order in Zerodha Kite. So here in Zerodha, they use the term GTT. So it is good till triggered. So I'll be showing you how you can put a GTT order in Zerodha Kite and you can put your target and stop loss with the entry order. You can use this on cash and you can also use it on Nifty and Bank Nifty futures and options. For the other stock options or stock futures, it is rightly not available, but you can use it on all the cash stocks and you can also use it on Nifty and Bank Nifty futures and options. You can put a stop loss and a target order whenever you are putting the main order. So let me show you how to use this GTT order facility in the Zerodha Kite. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So now my dear friends, before I start showing you the GTT orders on Zerodha Kite, first let me tell you, as I'll be showing on Zerodha Kite, the first thing that you need to have is Zerodha Kite with you. If you are not having Zerodha Kite, you need to open an Zerodha account and then you start using the Kite. If you are not having an account in Zerodha, I'll be giving you the link to join Zerodha in the video description. So from there you can directly go to Zerodha website and you can open an account and you can start using Zerodha Kite instantly. The account opening process is very fast, and once your account is opened, you can also start using the Zerodha Kite GTT orders as I'll show you in the later part of this video. So my dear friends, let me get over to the GTT orders. So now friends, I'll show you how to put a GTT order. Here I'll be putting a GTT buy order on this stock GSPL. So I have clicked on buy. I'll be putting my quantity. Here I'll be putting my limit order, in which limit I want to buy this GSPL stock. I have put the limit order on GSPL. You can see this is a limit order and here is GTT. You can see here actually I can put a stop loss and the target on the GTT. You can see my dear friends, by default the stop loss is minus because it is on the downside and the target is positive. So you can change the percent of the stop loss and the target according to your needs, and you can finally put a buy order. So here you can see by default I have given my target and stop loss that I have set, and now yes, you can see I have given the order on the system. You can directly click on the order book and you can see the order is now on my system. Now my dear friends, what is the major benefit of using a GTT order? The GTT order will allow you to put a target and stop loss along with your entry order. Plus, my dear friends, you can put a target and stop loss order. That means you can put two orders in the system and still no margins will be occupied for these two orders. So now, my dear friends, let me give you some more information on the GTT order. So you can see I am on the order page. This is next day and I am already having the GSPL on my portfolio now. Yesterday I have bought GSPL. The stock is down. The whole market is actually down. I am facing some loss now. And still I am okay with that because I know that in the GTT order, my stop loss and my targets are into the system. So if my stop loss gets hit, I will be out of the system, and if my targets get hit, I will once again be out of the system. So I am not having any headache of using any fresh order. Now friends, I have shown you how to use the GTT as a percent for target and stop loss. Now I will show you how you can actually put a GTT order in figures. If you know the exact stop loss and target, you can put it in figures. So let me delete my old GTT. So you can see on GSPL, my GTT is now deleted. I do not have any GTT order. So now I will put a new GTT order. You can see I have clicked on create GTT. I need to click on the create GTT option on the stop. You can see I am on the page to create GTT. Now this is a sell order because I am already having the stock in my portfolio. So I need to put a sell GTT order to square up my position, and I can put my target and stop loss in the value. You can see here actually I am putting the target and stop loss in the value, and I am also putting the quantity over here. I know what is my target and stop loss, and so separately I am putting my target and stop loss. I actually know what is the target and stop loss in figures. So here I am actually typing the targets and stop loss one by one. You can see I am putting the trigger price in the target, and I'll also put the quantity. While putting here the target and stop loss, I need to put the target and stop loss in both the trigger price as well as in the limit price option. Here I have given the trigger price as well as the limit price for both the target and stop loss, and see my order is now done. So I can directly place the order on the system now. I just once check everything whether the trigger price and limit price everything is correct or not. If those are not correct, I will change them once and then I can place the order directly on the system. Here I am actually changing, I am playing with the trigger price and the limit price on both the target and the stop loss. You can see once I am done, I can place the order on the system. So I am on the order placement option right now. I will be placing the order after I am satisfied. You can see my GTT is created. So this is another way of putting a GTT order. One way you can add the GTT order directly with the main order, and another way you can create a GTT order after you buy everything normally. So you can just put a normal buy order and then you can create a GTT order. And now friends, I am on the next day. Previous day you have seen that it was showing loss on my portfolio, but now the market has actually recovered and now I am back in the green. You can see yesterday I have shown you how to create GTT on the cash market, but now I will be showing you how to create a GTT even on the futures market, because GTT order can be used on stocks as well as on Nifty and Bank Nifty futures and options. So now my dear friends, I'll be creating a GTT order on the Nifty future. You can see here the buy and sell option are shown. I am creating a buy GTT order. So here I can select my quantity. I can select the order type as NRML and the order type is market or limit. So if in limit I need to put my limit position, what limit price I want to buy Nifty future. So I am putting the limit price according to my entry criteria. So once my limit criteria is set, then I need to create a GTT. So here I need to put a GTT percent for the stop loss and target. By default there is 2% stop loss and target. So I can also change the stop loss and target. So here I can either buy, or here actually I am not be buying, I will be cancelling the order. So here you can place a sell GTT order as well, just as I have shown you how you have created a buy GTT order. I can put the quantity, the order type is NRML, I can put my limit order or as per my limit price. So then I need to put a stop loss and the target. Now my dear friends, you can see as in the sell order, the stop loss is now positive and the target is negative because the stop loss is on the higher side and the target is on the lower side. By default it is 2% stop loss and target. So in this way I can actually put a GTT order on the sell side too. And you can see my dear friends how much margin is required, that is also shown here. So how much margin is required to carry forward this trade, that is also shown here. And now I am cancelling the order. Now my dear friends, I have shown you how you can put a GTT order in the system and you can use this on the Zerodha Kite. Now if you want to know more about the GTT order, I have written a blog post on various types of orders. So you can come down to my blog post and you can learn more about the various types of orders. So this is my blog post. I'll be giving you the link to this blog post in the video description. So from there you can come here. You can see various types of orders. I have written all the order types and here is the GTT order. So you can actually get more knowledge on the GTT order in my blog post. So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can also use the GTT orders in Zerodha Kite. I have shown you how you can put the order in stop loss and targets and you can use the order in a percent. And if you are having a fixed stop loss level or a target level, then also you can put a GTT order, that also I have shown you. I have given you examples in the live market. I have given you my GTT orders. I have shown you my GTT orders. So you can replicate this kind of things and you can from now on, if you are a swing trader or if you are a positional trader, you can use this GTT order facility in your Zerodha Kite. So if you are having any questions regarding this GTT order or this good till triggered order, you can directly ask me in the comment section. I'll be waiting to answer your comments. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.